Guangzhou Aoxin Biotechnology Company. Limited was founded in 1998. Specialize in designing and manufacturing all kinds of OEM and ODM cosmetics products, skincare / facial care / body care / hair care / intimate care for serves some of the largest names in the cosmetics industry with stable quality and timely delivery of products. It has 181,700 square meters, and employs more than 1880 people. There are 2 factories with 45 production lines. The total annual capacity is 600 million pieces. All have passé.